how to clear search history on YouTube 2023. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, just hit the subscribe button. That's helped me guys to get amazing content for you. So first of all, just open your YouTube app, and then I will show you the fastest process or simple process for that, so that helps you to do that. So first of all, go to the library option in the top bottom left side, and then just click to the history view all option in the top side. After that, you can see your all the history will be showing there. So just click to the three dot menu in the top right side, and then you can see options is showing there. First one is pause watch history, second one is clear all watch history, third one is manage all history and all the things. So just click to the clear all watch history, and then just click to the clear watch history. After that, your all the history will be cleared. So that's the process I can clear your watch history on YouTube. So that's the updated process for clear history. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing content. So thank you for more new upcoming amazing content. So thank you for watching.